Oh, what is this idiot doing with my blanket now? Stop it! You can let me go, Diane. I'm not going to attack him. Blast it, I almost had him. Stuart, you better be glad she's holding me back. I would fluff you up so bad. You know I'm just kidding, Stuart. Come on, give me the old snifferoo on the nose. Come on, you can trust me. I won't do anything nefarious. You can trust me. Yeah, we're good, buddy. Put her there. Oh, Stuart, when Diane goes to bed, you're so dead.
Brian, I got your spot, and you're never getting it back.
Psst, Brian. Snowball's really ticklish under his armpit. Okay, good luck.
Stir all you want, I'm never moving.
Oh, we'll see about that, Snowball.
Oh, no, not my armpit!
I just gotta step down real
Barry, you moron!
Jeez, you guys are mean.
Okay, let's head them up and move them out. Get along, little doggy. Well, I guess I'm the little doggy. Well, get along, little pony. Now, come on, Millie. Tighten up that girdle and let's jump this hurdle. Here we go. Well, Millie, old girl, looks like you and me's been deputized. These outlaws been robbing pet stores, and that dog don't hunt. Yeah!